Hey everyone, how's it going? This is an Amazfit T-Rex Ultra versus T-Rex 3 comparison. So let's get started. The Ultra has up to 1000 nit brightness, where the 3 has 2000 nits. So obviously the 3 wins this one because it's almost double in brightness. And then next up, if you see that they're boasting the 316 stainless steel, which I believe is something that they also have in this one. As you can see, it says whether it's 70 degrees Celsius or negative minus 30 degree cold or 100 meter deep water, you'll be able to use this thing. And it just says mud resistance, thing like that, adjustable lugs, ultimate control. And then now if we look at the battery, the T-Rex 3, it has over 3 weeks of battery life. Now that is great. Like one charge and then 3 weeks of battery. That's obviously good. And then on low temperature with GPS on, you get 3 hours with the T-Rex Ultra and only 2 weeks with the GPS off, which is obviously again with GPS uh accurate mode you get 42 hours. Again, T-Rex 3 wins this one. And then yeah, the same things. So I would say for price wise, obviously the T-Rex 3 has more features and things that you can do. But honestly, the things about accuracy and everything, it's not much big of a difference. You can go with Ultra, but if you have the price, I would say you can go with the T-Rex 3. And this is it for the video. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.